Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Philips all-in-one trimmer 3000 series, one tool easy styling for face and hair, the model MG3720. 7-in-1 tools included at the box for trim your face and hair. Up to 60 minutes of cordless use from a single 16-hour charge, with a self-sharpening non-corrosive steel blades and water-resistant guards for easy cleaning on the trimmer for face and body. Let's see what else we've got at the box. We can see some of the areas at your face where you can use this trimmer. And let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product. Use it on myself and see if it can cut my hair very well, very fast. And of course, at the box we have the manual. So many manuals in different languages, okay? If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. A lovely bag, Philips, to have all these accessories included at this bag. Definitely it will fit perfect at your travel bag. You can have it at your vacation because it is cordless. You can have it anywhere, even for a camping. Yeah, why not? And whenever you want, you can just trim your hair, your nose hair, or your ear. Okay, included of course we've got the charger. The cable, it is about 1 meter. And I can see here the output, it is 4.3 volts, 0.07 amp, 0.300 watt power consumption. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a lithium battery, it has a nickel metal hydride battery. That is disappointing for me. I like more the lithium battery, they last more, they last longer. And there is the trimmer. I like it. It is small, it fits to my palm. It has this silver glossy around, the on-off switch. Oh, it is powerful, I can feel it. Nice, I like this mat around, this texture here, and at the front, the gray. The connection for the power cord. It takes about 16 hours to fully charge from 0%. You can just pull that and remove the blade. You can clean it with the included brush, press and lock. And of course, you can install this adapter for nose and ear trimming. Press and lock, very easy. Pull and lock. And of course you can adjust it from 0.5 to 9 mm the cutting length. If you want to use only for edging and contouring, you can use without attaching one of these accessories, 0.5 mm. If you want to use for stumble style, you can attach the 1 mm if you want, or the 2 mm. It is very easy. Goes here first and just press and it locks. Pull and lock. If you want the 2 mm, the same. And it locks. Or if you want the 3 mm or 5 mm for short birds, or if you want the 9 mm for hair clipping. Very easy to attach all these accessories. I like it. And let's give it a charge. We don't have any LED indicator, I can see. Not, there it is. We have at the charger, green light. If it will switch off the LED, that means it's fully charged. And you can use it simultaneously as it's charging. I like that. And we can see when I'm turning on the switch, it turns off the LED light, it stopped charging this unit. But I like that you can use this trimmer when it is on power. Well, let's give it a try. Let's try it first with a nose trimmer, an ear. Nice! I like it. Definitely it can clean very well this area. You can see the differences. Good job. Now let's try only with a blade. Nice. Clean it very well. Beautiful! Great results! And I cannot cut myself with this blade. Definitely it protects very well my skin. Makes it very smooth and pleasant. Very good choice for body trimming. Now I will try it on my leg with 1mm comb. Definitely it is very good for body trimming. Let's remove this. Nice, I like it. Very good result. It is very smooth. Now let's try with a 3mm. My beard is small right now. And here we can see the differences at this area and with this area. Now let's try it without. Nice, I like the results. Compare it with this area. Now I can't see very well because I'm just looking at the monitor, but I think it's okay. Now I will try and cut the hair at the back side of the head with 9mm comb. I have already made a preparation cutting the hair with a 5000 Beardtrimmer from Philips. I already made a video about this trimmer, you can check after the end of this video or down below in the description. It is a good trimmer from Philips, you will find it very interesting. Now I have removed the comb and I straighten up the hair. Well guys, that was all about this trimmer. It cost about 25 to 30 euros and it is a value of money for the things that it can do. It is a lightweight trimmer, you can have it anywhere with you. The only thing that I don't like is that it needs about 16 hours to fully charge the battery from 0 to 100%. Well guys, it is your choice in the end if you want to buy it or not, but as you can see, it's doing a great job. And with all that saying guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.